Hey everyone! Ever wondered how to take your workout game to the next level from the comfort of your home? Well, let me dive into the world of exercise bikes that are making waves in 2024. First up, let's talk about the big players. You've probably heard of Peloton, right? They've been around, but guess what? 2024 is the year they've decided to really step up their game. Despite some rough patches in the company, they're rolling out new features that are all about enhancing your fitness experience. We're talking integrated virtual reality workouts that make you feel like you're cycling through the Alps. But hold on, it's not just Peloton in the race. There's a newcomer that's turning heads, the Spark Charge. This isn't your average bike. It's designed with high-intensity interval training in mind, perfect for those of you who want a challenge. Plus, its sleek design means it doesn't look like a sore thumb in your living room. Now, what about those of you who are all about tech? Enter the FitTrack Dara Smart Bike. This beauty not only tracks your usual metrics like speed and calories, but also uses advanced sensors to give you real-time feedback on your posture and cycling form. It's like having a personal trainer, but you don't have to share your living room with anyone else. And here's a cool twist. Sustainability is also hitting the exercise bike world. The EcoCycle isn't just a name, it's built from recycled materials, and for every bike sold, they plant a tree. Work out and help the planet? Count me in. Lastly, let's not forget about budget options because not everyone wants to spend a small fortune on their home gym. The Budget Beater bike might not have all the bells and whistles of the high-end models, but it gets the job done. It's sturdy, reliable, and best of all, won't break the bank. So whether you're a fitness junkie or just trying to get a bit more active, there's an exercise bike out there for you in 2024. Remember, it's all about finding what fits your space, your goals, and your budget. Here's to healthier days ahead, one pedal at a time. Catch you on the next ride, folks. Stay fit, stay happy.